Welcome to a definitive visual review of a true Japanese icon, the 1982 Nissan Skyline R30, presented here in its pristine, showroom fresh glory. Our journey begins with the classic hero shot, a low, front three-quarter view that immediately establishes its commanding presence. Here, in this pure white minimalist studio, the car's factory silver metallic paint acts as a perfect canvas, reflecting the soft, diffused lighting and highlighting every contour. From this angle, we appreciate the definitive design language of the era, the purposeful, boxy silhouette, the long hood, and that iconic front fascia. Moving directly to the head-on view, the Skyline's face comes into full focus. It's a study in symmetrical, functional design, dominated by the unique quad-rectangular headlight clusters, a signature element that sets it apart, flanking the simple, assertive chrome grille. This is a face that means business, devoid of frivolity, all about clarity and intent. As we pan along its profile, the side view reveals the Skyline's clean, uncluttered lines. The straight character line runs the length of the door, emphasizing its length and formal roofline, a design that prioritized interior space and aerodynamic efficiency for its time. The classic steel wheels with their chrome hubcaps speak to an era of simplicity and robustness. From the rear three-quarter angle, the design cues continue to impress. We see the formal trunk line flow into those distinctive vertical tail lights, another hallmark of the R30 series, providing a wide, stable stance. The direct rear view solidifies this impression, with the full-width trim and badge detailing completing the picture of a well-engineered, no-nonsense sedan. Now, let's dive into the details that make this car special. A close-up of the front headlight and grille assembly reveals the precision of the chrome surrounds and the quality of the glass, with the silver paint perfectly mirrored in the polished surfaces. Similarly, a macro shot of the rear tail light shows the deep red lens texture and the intricate reflector design, elements often overlooked but crucial to its identity. Getting lower, we examine the wheels up close. The silver-painted steel rim and the classic tire tread pattern are a reminder of a time before oversized alloy wheels, focusing instead on durability and ride comfort. And speaking of a lower perspective, a dramatic shot from under the front bumper offers a glimpse of the Skyline's mechanical heart. Here we see the front suspension components, the steering linkage, and the exhaust manifold all clean, orderly, and built to last. Stepping inside, we open the driver's door to reveal a cabin that is a time capsule of early 80s automotive design. The dashboard overview presents a cockpit built for the driver. It's an analog paradise, with clear, circular gauges set in a functional dash, accented by warm wooden veneer trim on higher spec models. The classic three-spoke steering wheel feels purposeful in hand. From the perspective of the rear seat, looking over the driver's shoulder, the layout's driver-centric focus is even more apparent. The view of the instrument cluster through the steering wheel is perfectly framed, with the speedometer and tachometer easily readable, embodying a pure, connected driving experience. A close-up of the center console shows the period-correct radio, the slider controls for ventilation, and the satisfying manual gear shifter, a direct mechanical link to the transmission. From the outside, looking in through the passenger door, we get a full sense of the cabin's spaciousness and the thoughtful, durable fabric upholstery that has stood the test of time. Now, let's explore what powers this legend. Lifting the hood reveals the engineering core, a clean and orderly engine bay centered around Nissan's renowned inline-six engine. It's a masterpiece of accessible engineering, with the air filter, valve cover, and ancillaries all laid out logically, a mechanic's dream. A detail shot of the engine badge, perhaps reading Nissan Oak, confirms its heritage. Even the trunk, when opened, tells a story of practicality, with a full-size spare tire neatly stowed and trimmed with simple, Durable materials. To appreciate the Skyline in its entirety, we pull back for a wide showroom shot. Here, the car sits centrally in this vast white space, its silver paint contrasting beautifully against the seamless backdrop, allowing us to fully absorb its proportions and timeless design. For a more dynamic feel, a very low-angle shot along the car's side accentuates its planted stance and sharp body lines, making it look poised and ready for motion. Finally, we end on an artistic note, a close-up on the flawless silver hood, capturing a perfect, abstract reflection of the pristine white showroom ceiling and lights. This shot symbolizes the Skyline R30's legacy, a brilliant reflector of its era, a design that remains sharp, clear, and deeply respected. This is more than just a car, it's a milestone on wheels, a testament to the engineering philosophy that would forge the Skyline legend.